Lesson number 16. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You will get 4 seconds after every question. Listen to the question. Answer the question and get fluency in English. For better results, practice it many times. Subscribe and share this video. Answer the questions. Have you seen the TV show Friends? Do you like it? Who is your favorite character? Can you think of a good movie about friendship? In your opinion, are there rules for a friendship? What are some things that a good friend should do? Are there things that a good friend should not do? Like what? Do you think you are a good friend to others? In what ways? Do you think friends should loan each other money? Why or why not? How do you deepen friendships? Can you share 5 tips for making and keeping friends? Which of your friends would make good roommates? Why? Do you have any friends that you would not want as roommates? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.